bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I can tell you got big, big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me.
Good morning. Is Frank here? Yeah. Okay. Frank.
TV store, not outside.
Frank. Frank. New drill. Who this? Hopefully it's good. Do you get a lot of complaint about this drill?
The only complaint I get is that it's sensitive, drop-wise.
Okay. What you mean?
Like dropping it, it breaks off pretty easy.
Okay, yeah. I also need a new brush while I'm in here. How much are the extreme brushes?
I think the 14 one is like 30 something.
Okay. I want the 16 extreme.
16, look at you.
Yeah, I want the 16. Yeah. Can you, yeah. Okay. Alright, y'all, buying a new drill. Buying a new brush. I just spent $333 for a drill and a brush. So when y'all start questioning us in their text about our prices, understand this. We spend some money just to service y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm at the shop. I got a blueberry biscuit in thanks of Janae with the Bojangles. Let me show y'all this biscuit real quick first before we even get started. Cause y'all know y'all gotta see this unboxing, but this biscuit look fine. I ain't gonna lie, it's soft, it's warm, it's beautiful. Okay, Bojangles. Yeah, y'all know I went and finally got me a new drill. About time. I just want y'all know these Melody Susie drills are not that good. I literally just bought a Melody Susie drill. Like I just bought this one, it is not good, but I'm gonna keep it though. So, let's do this unboxing. This is the new brush I just bought, even though I just bought a brush. Here you go. All right, so the dude at the Net Supply store here already opened the box. So, bam. We got a warranty card, 30 days until, we have to register within 30 days to get the actual warranty. Cute. It's got the instructions. How much money I spent at the Net Supply store today on 2 items. All right. Here goes the base. The little drill part. KIARA Sky Cute, white, whatever. Here's the drill. It's real skinny. I like that. I like that it's not thick. I hope it don't get too hot. Do this drill get hot? Do you know? I hope it don't get hot. But I like it so far. I don't like thick drills, but I like this. I hate thick drills. And then this is a charging piece. I love it. I hate short pieces. They come with a sanding bit, and then this big this drill bit come with it. And then it has a drill stand that I never use. It got 2 of them. Cute. 2 of them that I never use. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Of course, we're gonna test it out throughout the day today, and I'm gonna let y'all know how it works. But so far, I just like it aesthetically wise because it's cute. I wish it was pink, but I could deal with the white. It's cute. Not the little drill bit come with a diamond in it though. That's so cute. Y'all like my nails? Purr. Y'all wanna hear how loud this drill is? Hold on. Do you hear anything? Hold on. Just wait. Hold on. We're gonna bring it even closer. It's not loud. You know what I'm saying? It's like perfect. And some people trying to say like the drill drunk or whatever, but baby, it's giving what it's supposed to give, okay? It's smooth. It glides across smoothly. It does not jump. My nails are smooth. It is smooth, period. Get your KIARA scratcher out. Alright, you guys. So, I just realized I did not end my vlog the other day. Well, yesterday, but that's cool because I was going to talk to y'all at the end of it anyway. Basically, I really just got this because, honestly, I needed basically a really, really good professional nail drill. And it just so happened that this drill is literally retailed at like, I think $300 to $350. And I got it on sale for $250. So, and plus tax was like $279. So I got a really good deal on this drill. Rocking with the Melody Susie. This is not my first Melody Susie. I've had the Melody Susie. I think I've had like a RC. I don't know what it's called. It's AIRSEE. I've had like one of those drills, a couple of those. I've had an OPI drill before, but that was like a long time ago. That was kind of like when I first started. I had a few different drills, but I've never had a KIARA Sky drill, and like I've never had a Mini Pro, and those are like the two best nail drills out right now. This drill just started glitching, y'all. I don't know if it's because I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, it's never, for me, it's never necessarily the machine. It's always the drill. Like, I don't know, I've dropped my drill a couple of times, but for me to have just received it, I feel like it shouldn't have messed up. I also haven't dropped it that many times. I think I maybe dropped this drill maybe twice, but I've been very, very careful because the last drill that I had, I dropped it. But I can't remember if that black drill was a Melody Susie or Arch Strip. I had that drill for a year and nothing was ever wrong with it. And I just cannot believe that, like, out of nowhere, it just stopped working one day. And so I've just been going through these drills, but I've realized it's actually this. It's not the machine, it's this. And I just feel like I'm just gonna get a professional one, like just all around, and just call it a day. So there's no more confusion. And like I said, I can get that drill fixed. Like, I can get this one fixed with no problem. I love the fact that when you turn this drill bit on, for one, it literally works like a pro drill. I haven't had my own Mini Pro drill, but I have had, I've used other people's Mini Pro drills before, and I've used other pro drills, and I'm telling you, like, this is a really, really good drill. It's a little bit pressurized, but not too much to the point where you wouldn't want to use it. I love the fact that it came with two drill bits. Well, one of them is a sanding bit and the other one is a nail drill bit, and they have like these little rhinestones like in the center of, like, at the tip of the drill bit. Like, this is really, really cute. I love the way that it works. It's cordless, so like you don't have to like have it attached to like a charger or anything. So that's a good thing about this drill bit. And you can also, it has a little clip on the back, so you could put it like on your desk, like on your drawer or something, or you could attach it to like your apron or whatever it is that you're wearing. But for me, I don't do stuff like that. I just put my shit up. They have like little stands, little places and stuff, but I never used it. So yeah, I would prefer everybody, like, there's nothing wrong with getting these drills, like, you know what I'm saying, Amazon. Like, if you just want something quick and go ahead and get your job done, it's cool. Like, I'm a professional nail tech, and I've ordered many drills off of Amazon, and there's nothing wrong with it. Like I said, like, it works like a pro nail drill. The speed, you know what I'm saying, is 35K RPM. Like, it is really, really fast, but I only go all the way up to like 10, like 12. So, and it works very, very well just at that speed. Like, I don't really think that you have to turn your drill like all the way up to use it. Like, what you doing it for? Unless you like trying to really sand down somebody's nail, then I can see you turning it up that much. But other than that, like, if you just drilling somebody's nail, like, why you gotta turn it up? Yeah, y'all. Tune in to my next vlog. I am going to try again, like I've been trying to tell y'all, I'm going to try to record a nail video, like a tutorial or whatever. But if not, of course, I'm going to do a day in the life vlog. But I'm definitely going to start getting into the nail tutorials, because I just want y'all to see me use a new drill in my nail tutorials in this vlog. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching my unboxing / product review, and I'll talk to you guys in the next vlog. Okay, bye.